रोम रोम भाइयों, सिस्टम पार देंगे, सिस्टम पार देंगे।
Hello, dear viewers. Good evening from my side. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to meet a person who is quite fascinating towards this language, and I can say that he has a great knowledge of this language as well. Let's see where is he from, what he does, and why he is quite fascinating towards this language. So, come, let's meet him. Hello, sir. Good evening. Good evening from my side. How are you doing?
Hello. Good evening. Yeah, ma'am, very good evening to you. I'm quite happy today and yeah, so my day was productive as I just wanted to talk with you since long period. Even we have been interacting to each other, but by the God grace today I got chance. I'm interacting with you over here in this platform. It is really fortunate and really thankful for me. So my name is Kamlesh Chaudhary, and basically I belong from Bhopal city in Madhya Pradesh. That is my native place. And as of now, in these days, currently I reside in Bangalore city. It is a capital of Karnataka state, also known as southern part of India. So I reside here in Bangalore city for last 2 years, and have been residing over here to do work. So let me tell you about. I'm a working personnel, so the profession which I have, I drive car. So I have driving profession. In this work, I have been performing for last 17 years, I would say. And talking about my age, I'm running 34 years right now. So yeah, and furthermore, I would say talking about my qualification background. So I did 10th standard. That is my last qualification as well. And due to I had some circumstances, due to that I couldn't pursue my further studies after 10th. And let me talk about my a core of interest. I love to interact with people in these days, especially in English language, where I know that okay, so here and simultaneously I'm improving in this language. Every day by day, I'm just gradually improving. I just wanna become a public speaker and good speaker in this language. Due to that, every day I'm immersing myself into this language to become a great speaker. So this is pretty much about me, ma'am. Thank you very much for giving this one opportunity.
Okay, got it, got it. Mute yourself, please. All right. So, Kamlesh, guess what? It is a first meeting of us, isn't it? Before we haven't even seen to each other. In the first meeting, you are like quite familiar to me. That's mean it sounds like you are a social butterfly. All right. Now I just got to that you are a social butterfly. There is no doubt in it. And who the hell am I to create a room for a doubt? So that is a different thing. All right. That I got to know that you are a social butterfly. However, I just want to ask you something that is just a kind of curiosity for me, I can say. Yeah. Why so? Because, see, people these days, they are obsessed with learning a language. Aren't they? Yes, of course they are. A question, just, dancing there in order to ask. So, in terms of asking something related to the English language, I would like to ask you something. Since you just have mentioned here that you are a car driver, aren't you? You're a car driver. This language, it's a global language. Everyone wants to know ins and outs about this language. Among them, you might be. However, the question is, what made you to learn this language? For what purpose? What is the purpose behind this learning a language? Why you are hell bent on learning this language? However, I can see that like a fluency or whatever you can say, the things which you have within you, it is telling me that he is a super curious about this language. He wants to go through fire and water to get fluency in this language. So I just want to know the reason. What was the reason behind this learning a language?
Okay, I got it your point, and it is really interesting question for me, and I love to give answer as my in my opinion, in my perspective. Okay, so the reason behind it that in these days I'm literally captivating in this language, emerging in this language. Why? Reason there is a multiple reason behind it. Let me tell you one by one. Okay, so the first reason is that I got to know that it is one of the uh, global language, I would say, where it is really helpful in our personal and professional life. So the person, those who have, they are person, those who are studying, or the person, those who are working in professionally in office or somewhere, and this language is literally crucial language for them to survive in our society, in our surrounding, in our city. Okay, so as I got to know that, and the second reason behind it that I told you about my profession, which is I have driving profession. As you can see in behind me, I just sit in a compartment of vehicle, right? So it is also vehicle. It's a heavy vehicle. So as I have driving profession, and sometimes I drive passenger car. So due to that, every day I have to be interact with passenger. So as I told you that I in these days I reside in Bangalore city. So obviously the Bangalore city there is the local people that have their own separate language, which is Kannada, and that is not my mother tongue. My mother tongue is Hindi, where I reside in Bhopal city in Madhya Pradesh. I have Hindi mother tongue. So due to that, I'm not familiar with them with Kannada language. I can't communicate with them. So instead of that language, that is not my mother tongue, but instead of that, I interact with them in Bangalore city with the people in English language only. So this is how I decided to learn. I decided to improve this language where I can easily interact with the people where I have been residing in Bangalore city. It is the second reason behind it. And the third reason I would like to say, uh, actually I'm a working personnel, so as I have driving profession, so as I know, I have so many dreams and expectation, desire I have where I would like to fulfill it in future, and that as desire and dreams I would be fulfilling in future where if I get better opportunity. So the opportunity I would like to get in future, I would like to go in abroad from outside India in abroad. So I would like to visit over there, and I have chosen some of the country in my bucket list where I would like to visit. Let me tell you the country name. First one is Australia, which is also under of the Gulf country. I would like to visit over there, and the motive which I have after reaching over there, I would like to become a wealthy person. I would like to earn lot of amount of money, and due to that, I would like to fulfill my all the desire and dreams, and simultaneously, I would like to explore all over the world. Yeah, so these are the reason behind it where I have initiated my journey in this language. And let me tell you about my journey where I have initiated for last 1.5 year back. I have initiated, and before that, earlier I had zero knowledge. I have initiated from the scratch in this language, and however, since then to till now, have been uh, improving, gradually improving myself, whether talking with people, as I know that I have smartphone and so many social media platform where I uh, spend my time to gather content or so many things. I'm I would say there is just so many resources I have. I am so comfortable to practice it to improve myself in this language. So these are the reason behind it. I hope you're satisfied from my answer.
Okay. Right now I can say I am completely, profoundly, drastically a speechless person. Now ask why. It is pure and simple to understand. It is called passion. It is called craziness. It is called lunaticness towards a language. See, I know very well that in order to learn a language, in the course of learning something, we should have to go through a rough patch where everyone wants to point finger towards you in order to ask that would you learn this language, so on and so forth. Such kind of questions and such kind of taunts would not be okay for a learner. In that case, in various you have learned this language and you have spoken along with various sort of people as well among this kind of people. So I can say it is pity for those people who consider themselves that they are not advocate enough for this learning, for this language and all. There's such a kind of like excuses they are going to come up with, and you came across along with such people, so that made you to say in order to run your profession, in order to stay in your profession, that made you to learn this language, or that was just a passion that no, I want to ask to the people that where they want to go, or what is their destiny, so I can drop them, and so on or so forth. Such kind of questions were there in your mind that made you to learn this language, or you were like just no, it is a Bangalore, so people, every single person, even vendors as well, they are easily going to, it is cashier thing for them to speak this language, something like that. Did you get what I'm talking about, what I'm asking about?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so let me tell you about in my profession and the work which I have in these days. Literally, every day I perform my work as I drive vehicle, I operate vehicle. So in between, in throughout the day period, I interact with so many passengers since morning to evening, and simultaneously I get a chance to interact with passengers, and I love to communicate with them, especially in English. Why? Because I'm in these days I'm improving my communication in this language. Due to that, deliberately I interact with them in English, and how much time they stay at in my car, uh, all the time. I love to interact with them because I don't want to waste my time. And as I really fond in this language to learn it, to improve it, so I don't wanna miss the boat, right? So I would say this kind of the craziness I have in these days. I'm so exciting to learn new things and to improve my communication. And day by day, I'm just wanna learn something new. As you found it, actually we have been communicating for last couple of days. So as I hope you got it, as you know about me.
All right. I must have to admit that you have such a great craziness towards this language. You are bitten by this English bug where you just want to survive along this language called English. I do appreciate you, Kamlesh. Keep on doing the same things as you are doing. And let me tell you something which has a core value. It will, if I add up it will definitely make your language, or make your journey beautiful. See, as you have learned this language, still you are learning for the sake of your profession, for the sake of your future, for the sake of betterment, okay, whatever the kind of things you want to make better, you are doing such things for that. Along with that, I just got to know that is you have your YouTube channel as well, isn't it? Now, see, learning a language, it is a kind of, I can say, like interest. Okay, fascinate. You were fascinated towards learning a language, so you learned it. All right, that is quite, I can say like bearable. Okay, all right. Now, I want to know what is the reason behind this YouTube channel? Why did you start that? Since you are You are just going to learn a language. So, what made you to create that channel?
Okay, so before dive into reply from my side in this question which you have asked to me, I would like to know about yourself because I didn't aware about to you. And what about yourself, about your profession? And as I found it, you are working personal. So have been longing to know about you. So I just want to know about yourself. Then I would like to give answer from my side.
All right. You just made me laugh. I cracked up, I'm telling you. Why so? Because, I immersed myself while talking to you. And guess what? When you spoke about your journey, I was dragging myself towards your words. All right. That made me to listen to Kamlesh only. I forgot about myself. All right. That is called the interest. Now here I go. I would like to come up with a little intro from my end to you for the sake of you only. Fine then. My application is Anjum. I am employed as an educator. I have affinity of learning language, especially this English language. Along with that, I can say that I reside in Maharashtra and I am bitten by this learning language. Yeah, bug I can say, or vice versa. In other hand, I'm completely that kind of person who has curiosity along with intellectual to learn a language and all. So yeah, and simultaneously I can say, as I mentioned, that I am employed as an educator. So I always you can find that my plate is full. It is always, I don't get adequate time to spend over anything. But yeah, as I am interested, as I am fascinated towards this language, so that made me to do something which will make me feel enthusiastic. So right now I can say, in a rush of enthusiasm, I'm just asking such sort of questions, some kind of things which is making me to ask that how Kamlesh was doing all these things. It is such a big deal, I'm telling you. It is not a cup of tea. It is a Herculean task for the people to get fluency in this language. And in your case, it is like a normal thing, all right? You haven't. Okay, okay. Speaking of all these things, could you tell me, when you interact along with people, okay, especially Bangalore, in the sense I can say, people, yeah, abundance kind of people are there. They can easily speak this language. It is like a not a native, but yeah, kind of I can say, like, what am I supposed to say? Probably like a routine language of theirs, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, so
Yeah. So through the, all right, you wanna say something? Okay, okay, please
you
go
can
ahead.
carry on. Yeah, please.
You can carry on. Yeah, please.
All right, what I was talking about, I forgot the chain of my thoughts because you disturbed me and you deserve a punishment. What should I have to do over here? It is not possible because I am unable to recall what kind of punishment I should have to give you.
You were
So,
telling
all
about,
right,
or let
just
me
let
let
me.
me remind you. Let me remind you. You are telling about the Bangalore, the people, those who reside in Bangalore, as they have their own mother tongue, and you were telling about the communication or speaking something.
Communication or speaking something.
Perfect. Thank you so much for recalling all these things to me. All right. Since I have a goldfish memory, I can't keep the things for a long period of time in my mind. Vice versa, I can say that you have an elephant memory. The person who can keep the things for a long period of time in his mind. So you are that kind of person. However, that doesn't make any sense to me, and it doesn't befit me to say as well. However, the thing is not that. Let me tell you something about the things which I was asking. All right, I was on the verge of asking something that has a core value. It will make your things as well as mine quite better for us to understand. So yeah, not a question, but here's the curiosity from my end to you. All right, see, highly educated people who has or who I can select, who have done their diplomas, their post graduation, their PGs, yeah, graduation, whatever. It doesn't make any kind of sense to me. But yeah, they consider those people are quite good at this language. They know ins and outs about this language, so on and so forth. So called words, I'm telling you. Okay, I smelled out it wouldn't be easier for them to speak or to say something like that. However, in your case, you have learned this language through by the help of, or I can say, like, by all accounts you are a good speaker, right? Why so? Because you learned this language, so they are going to give their helping hand, and you are the only one who was giving your helping hand to them in order to say that I would teach you, and I would like to interact with you guys. I would like to communicate. I would like to have a word with them. What kind of situation it was? Because that is called the real conversation, right? Real life conversation, where you are meeting to the people who are speaking this language as their routine language, not a native. Because I can't say, since we are Indians, we don't have this English as a native language, isn't it? It is not our first language. It is probably like the second, third, or sometimes fourth language for people. So yeah, I want to know that kind of things. I mean, how you were interacting, how they were feeling, and how did you feel at the time when you interacted with those people who were quite good at this language? What was your reaction?
Yeah, literally,
Yeah,
I would like
literally,
to
I would
say.
like to say.
Actually, talking
Actually,
about
talking about
the place
the
where I
place where
reside
I
as of
reside
now,
as of
which is
now, which
Bangalore
is
city.
Bangalore
I
city.
came
I
here
came
very
here in
first
very
time
first time
for last one
for
and
last one
half year
and
back,
half year back.
and at
And
that time
at
I
that time, I
got to know
got to
that
know
the
that
people
the
they
people
have in
that have
Bangalore
in
city, they
Bangalore
have
city, they have
their own
their
mother tongue, which is Kannada. And I already told you about that. That is not my mother tongue, and I can't comfortable to talk with them in Kannada language because that is not my mother tongue. So at that time, I have decided, okay, so actually, I was not up to the mark in English at that time. But at the same time, I got to know that, okay, so I should learn English. I should improve my communication in this language. And simultaneously, I have decided to learn it. And for last 1.5 year back, since then to till now, I have been improving myself. Actually, I had only one option. The option which I had, which is first one, uh, at any cost, I have to be interact in English, and the second was that otherwise I should learn. I have to be learn Kannada language. In this, how I can communicate with local guy in Bangalore. So I had only two options, but I have chosen this one language, which is English, where I had little bit knowledge about that. About I did 10th standard, so as due to that I got knowledge about the 10th level, which is the basic knowledge I had, and from that knowledge I have initiated, and I have restart my journey. So let me tell you about the 10th standard where I did it in 2009. So uh, it was long a while, right? So I did in 2009, and the years which we have right now in these days, which is 2026 year, is going on right now. So which means I far away at least 15 years from the study. So I was totally away from the studies for last 15 years. And so, however, I have resumed my study about in this language. I have initiated my journey. And yeah, I let me tell you, for last 1.5 year, I have been uh, interacting with people only with this English language. And so whatever I have learned, everything about the 80 or 90% knowledge I have achieved, uh, the reason behind it that I have been residing in Bangalore, and simultaneously I have been using English language only. and deliberately with the people I love to communicate with them in English only. Instead of that, I have my Hindi mother tongue, and so I I could use Hindi language with them. But the thing is that, as for the sake of my improvement, I must have to be use English language deliberately with them. So the same things I have been doing for last 1.5 years. So whatever the achievement I have got, even I am getting as well. I'm also in learning mode in these days, and as I believe that to improve, I would say to become a good speaker. So in this language, it will take a long time to become a native speaker or public speaker. So where I believe it. So this is the reason behind it. The question which you have asked.
Perfect. There is no doubt in it. However, Kamlesh, I don't know how many times I'm going to appreciate you. But yeah, whatever the kind of things you have done in past, these are the consequences which you are getting right here, isn't it? These are the actions of your past, I can say. Your past might not be good for you, but yeah, if I compare your past to your present, so your present is more better. It is better than your past, isn't it? And by the way, let me tell you something. See, Kamlesh, actually, in one go, it is not possible for us to get any kind of things, whether it is fluency, it is a language, command on a language, or probably I can say like a skill or any kind of work. It is not possible, isn't it? It is never ever going to happen. In one go, you will not get anything. You will get something that is called zero. Okay, but yeah, in the course of learning something, you should have to go through a long process. All right, through this process, later or sooner or later, I can say you will get something that is called betterment. All right, and this betterment will lead you towards the success. So what I'm trying to say, on top of all, concurrently, that is, in terms of getting success, you should have to go through fire and water, along with interest, along with enthusiasm. And I'm telling you, no one is going to fix the things for you. You are the only one who is going to fix something for yourself. So you are the responsible for the things. And in your case, you have done that. Actually, you have shown that, interest it is something which is better than all the things. You had something that is called burning desire, isn't it? Appetite to learn a language. Through that things you have learned this language. I do appreciate the things. Actually, what you have done right away, I'm gonna tell you, you have stolen the heart of the language. That means you might have seen the rough patch of your lives, okay, or probably a bad phase of your life, and simultaneously a big chunk of your life as well. But they didn't, such things didn't hold you back, didn't they? They didn't stop you, right? Because you have decided, you have made your mind, you have changed your heart that no, Kamlesh has to learn this language, and he would learn. And he did that. Oh, by the way,
Oh my
Kamlesh,
goodness, kind of the appreciations and the way you are praising to me, and the way you are complimenting to me after I become drastically absolutely और क्या बोलेंगे फ्लावर गा स्टेट
okay, you might have feel something like that. Okay, you
now
might be
because
pondering and wondering. You
as
might be pondering
you
and
have
wondering.
as
See,
you have
you
praised
might
me
be.
literally,
Okay.
I would say I'm not a kind of person. I'm just believe on practice. I believe on hard work. That's it. And because in as of now, I'm also learning more because in this language, whatever the effort we are putting, that is less than right in this language to become a good speaker. So because
So
of that,
because
we
of
have to
that, we
be every
have to be
day
every
have to be
day
touched
have
with
to be
this
touched with
language
this
by the
language by the
listening, by
listening,
the
by the
speaking, by the
speaking, by the
reading.
reading.
Yeah,
So
and
the
let me
So
same
tell
the
things
you.
I
same
have been
things I
doing.
have been doing.
Exactly. All right. You did set against these things that no one has a interest, no one has a power, no one has a something like that. Irrespective of all these things, you have done a great job. You went through this kind of things where you got to know how to deal with these circumstances, scenario, situation, as well as people who are always ready to take undue advantages from your side, isn't it? Anyways, that is not the case. But yeah, to cut a long story short, in a nutshell, eventually a conclusion I can say I got to know. Okay, intentionally, knowingly, you were forcing yourself to say something, isn't it? What it was, I noticed, I observed something. There is something called hidden things within you. I know that
What?
everything is within your reach. Yeah, there was something which you were hiding. You were on the verge of asking, however, you didn't ask that. There was something you wanted to ask.
Nothing
Nothing
special.
is special.
Do you have
Do you
something you
have
can
something you can
spill the tea,
spill the tea,
spill the beans?
spill the beans?
Fine. All right. Your smile, your laugh, it is making me understand that he is not going to ask that such kind of questions, such sort of questions right here. Not an issue. But yeah, Kamlesh, again I'm gonna tell you that exactly what I wanted from you, you have come up with such things. In the sense, I wanted to know, okay, the journey which you have set off for learning, how it was, and you exactly as it is. So I can say that you are as smart as that fox. You are that
I
kind
can
of
feel
I
it.
can feel
Yeah.
it.
person. All right. So yeah, it was such a great session along with you. Little did I know that I would speak to Kamlesh, and he is this kind of hilarious plus serious person who is completely dedicated to this English language. So yeah,
Okay, so let
Okay,
me
so
let
let
me
me
tell
thanks a
let me
you
tell
million.
you
something
Yeah.
about
something
you.
about
Whatever
you.
I have
Whatever I have
realized that,
realized that,
whatever I
whatever
got to
I
know
got to
about
know
you.
about you.
Okay, so I got to know that in the very first time on WhatsApp group, and I found it okay. So you are a girl, which is you are also so much no, longing to learn something new. You really wanna become a good speaker. Already you have good knowledge about in this language. When you speak up, when I have been watching your lot of the content or video on your YouTube channel, right? So I got to know that literally you, whenever you whenever you practice or whatever the word and advanced word or you use in your sentence while speaking with someone, so literally you are really up to the mark as I got to know that. And yeah, so these are the things which has really inspired me, and at the same times I have decided to that, okay, so I would like to touch in with you, okay, in future, okay, for
Okay,
the sake
for
of
the
my
sake of my
improvement, for the sake
improvement, for
of
the sake
my
of my
learning.
learning.
That was the thing, Kamlesh, which I was asking earlier. That right? There is something within you which you were hiding. Now I got to know that was the question. You wanted to appreciate me. However, thanks a million for this appreciation. But yeah, all I believe in that it is just a kind of starting where I started my channel and all. I just wanted to utilize the things which I have learned, which I have built. So I wanted to keep it aside where people can use it, okay, or they can utilize it in a right way. So yes, such kind of things were there. I wanted to do that. I was doing, and yeah, probably I can say like you might be again wondering, pondering, and wondering, pondering, and wondering that what kind of things. Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, so
Okay, so now
the previous
the
video
previous
I
video
have
I
watched
have watched
on your YouTube
on your
channel.
YouTube channel.
So the
So the
question,
question,
uh,
uh,
the
the
comment I
comment
have
I have
put on over
put on
there.
over there.
So the same
the same
question I would
question
like to
I would
ask
like to
you
ask
right
you
now to
right
you.
now to you.
Are you
Are
literally
you literally
comfortable in
comfortable
this
in this
makeup
makeup
whenever you interact
whenever
with
you interact with
people?
people?
And
And
obviously, I
obviously,
know
I
everything
know
about
everything about
everything,
everything,
the face
the
cover or
base cover or
everything.
everything.
So, are you
So are
literally
you literally
comfortable with
comfortable
people
with
whenever
people
you
whenever
speak
you
up with
speak
them,
up with them,
whenever you interact
whenever
with
you interact
them?
with them?
So,
So
as I have
as I
don't, I
have
don't
don't
have
I
so
don't have
long, but
so
the thing
long,
is
but the
that
thing is that
because
because being a girl,
being a
being a
woman,
woman,
they they have
they
right to
have right to
explore
explore
everything, to show
everything,
up,
to
to
show up, to
demonstrate
demonstrate
everything
everything
in front of the
in front of
people,
the people,
front of the
in front of
audience,
the
right?
audience, right?
They really
They
want
really want
to see
to
you,
see you
as you have
as you
hidden
have
your
hidden your
face,
face,
as I know the
as I
reason
know the
behind it.
reason behind it.
What at the
But
same
at the
time,
same
what do you
time, what
feel?
do you feel?
What you have your
What you
own
have your
opinion
own
on that?
opinion on that?
Okay. The moment you spoke something about text comment, it was something there in my mind. That is super secret. What is called super secret superstar.
Secret
Yeah,
super.
Secret super.
exactly. Yeah,
You are
You
super
are
literally
superstar.
playing
literally
a
playing a
secret
secret
superstar girl.
superstar
Okay.
girl, okay?
As you have texted there, that means you got to know why I was doing these things and why I am doing these things as well. Concurrently, these kind of things doesn't make any this kind of things never ever going to make a sense for me. All I know is that how I'm speaking, what I'm speaking, how I'm going to interact, how I'm going to connect with people, how they are going to connect with me, what is the impact of my mine over them, and how they are going to deal with me, isn't it? These kind of things. So I'm aching for these things to collect, to gather, to accumulate this kind of things at a place where people can use it. Yes, again, there is something to say. Yes, please
Okay.
go ahead.
Okay, so actually
Okay, so
I've
actually
seen
I seen
that movie,
that
The
movie,
Secret
The Secret
Superstar, and
Superstar, and
on that
on that
movie,
movie,
in that
in
movie
that
there was a
movie there was
girl
a girl
which is
which
was
was
a secret girl over
secret
there,
girl
right?
over there, right?
So
So
she had a
she had a
compulsion.
compulsion.
She
She
didn't
didn't
want to
want to
reveal
reveal
their
their
talent or
talent
skill
or
with
skill with
front of the
front of the
audience.
audience.
What
But
in your
in your
case,
case,
what you have?
what you have?
Do you have any
Do you have any
compulsion?
compulsion?
There is no compulsion, there is nothing likewise. Just the thing that is, Anjum has to show her intellectual. Alright. She has to use her brain. She has to interact with people. She wants to connect to the world. Alright. She wants to know how this world is running. Along with that, since Mother Nature has created this kind of creatures like you and I here in this world. It is our duty, it is our responsibility to look after ourselves, isn't it? So what I'm doing, I'm looking after myself, and I know being I can say like a speaker, motivator, or whatever kind of things. These things will not reveal the character of yours. You know, I'm not going to I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm telling the reality. It's a veracity whether you believe it or not. That thing is, if
Got it,
you
got it.
have something within you, you don't have to show it off. Automatically, with the passage of time, in long run, it will happen. All right, you have to acknowledge it, and I have acknowledged it earlier when I was on the verge of learning this language. So yeah, in my case, I can say, as you have mentioned, as you have texted there, secret superstar. So want to become that kind of person. That's all.
Yeah, literally
Yeah,
now I
literally
got
now
to
I
know
got to know
everything.
everything.
And
And
literally the
literally
person
the
with
person
those
with
who have
those who have
passion about to
passion
do
about to do
something, to
something,
achieve
to achieve
something.
something.
So
So
I would say
I would say
if the
if
God will
the God
come to
will come
stop
to
you,
stop
okay.
you, okay.
So no, I
So
would say
I
the
would say the
people, those who
people,
have
those who have
really
really
passion and
passion
they are
and
really
they are
keen
really
to
keen to
achieve something
achieve
in their
something in
life,
their life,
and at the
and
same
at the
time
same
God will
time
come
God
to
will
stop
come to
you.
stop you. So
So the
the
God
God
will
will
never stop
never
you, I
stop
would
you,
say.
I would say.
It will possible because of you are really keen to real, very curious about to achieve something in your life.
All right. I would definitely accomplish something that is called a goal or the achievement which I want to achieve. Let's see, just working on it. However, I don't want to reveal all these things over here. Anyways, now, guess what? It has been 42. Yeah. It has been 42 minutes. We have been talking to each other and we didn't realize. So I can say I lost the track of time in the course of talking to you. And see, I haven't gone through this kind of timing along with anyone else, but the first time with you. So yeah, it's hits different when we interacted to someone else, and that one, or probably it's me, Anjum, who is leading to that person, to that lady for a long period of time, probably half an hour, no, above half an hour, probably an hour. So anyways, Kamlesh,
Yeah,
it
everything
is
is done over there, and literally it was the experience I got to know that actually I just wanted to communicate with you, and finally it is I did it, and the experience I got to interacted with you, which is really
by
quite
the virtue of you,
awesome. Yeah.
by the virtue of you, I got to know passion doesn't see the value, all right, the level, and I mean to say that if someone is destitute, all right, if someone is wealthy, filthy rich, I can say. So this passion doesn't go along with these levels. It is just going to enter in something who has the appetite, who has the cherished desire, who has burning desire, who are ready to burn themselves, all right, who are
Okay,
ready.
these are all the things. These are all the things I found in into you, right?
All right, yeah. Hey, by the way, Kamlesh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being here with me. And you have beared me for 45 minutes. It is
Okay, so it's time to hang off. And literally, it was nice and wonderful conversation with you. I have enjoyed a lot. Even and after some times, I will be scrutinize your video or something to find out the vocabulary or the advanced word where you have used in this video. Definitely, I'm going to analyze. Okay, thank you very much.
okay. But there is no need to replicate the things which I have used. All right.
No, no,
Okay.
you will get to know
All
after
right.
later.
Let's see. Okay, then. Till our next conversation, till our next session.
Okay,
Look
till then,
after yourself.
have a
Yeah,
great
look after
evening.
yourself.
Take care.
Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Hello, dear viewers. Good evening from my side. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to meet a person who is quite fascinating towards this language, and I can say that he has a great knowledge of this language as well. Let's see where is he from, what he does, and why he is quite fascinating towards this language. So come, let's meet him. Hello, sir. Good evening. Good evening from my side. How are you doing?
Hello. Good evening. Yeah, ma'am. Very good evening to you. I'm quite happy today, and yeah. So my day was productive as I today. I just wanted to talk with you since long period. Even we have been interacting to each other, but by the God grace, today I got chance. I'm interacting with you over here in this platform. It is really fortunate and really thankful for me.